Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we are installing a battery into a 2015 Chevrolet Malibu. For this project, you will need a 10mm socket, a wrench to disconnect the battery cables. So what you want to do first, you want to disconnect the negative terminal from the battery, which is also known as the ground, is the black cable itself. Once you disconnect that, then you do the same as well using a wrench or a socket, 10mm, to disconnect the positive terminal from the post of the battery itself as well. Just turn it clockwise until you feel that bolt loosen up, and you can wiggle it off and it'll pop right on off. Okay, also too, on this 2015 Chevrolet Malibu, you want to disconnect the power source that goes onto the fuse box itself. So that's what we're doing here. We disconnected the big main wire. We use a 10mm as well to disconnect that as well. So it'll be easier to lift this fuse box off the battery to be able to get the battery out of the car itself. Okay, so you can try to, there's clamps that's holding on the side of the battery. You can try to use your hand to pull it freely from the battery. If you're not strong enough, you can also just use a flathead screwdriver as well. And today we are installing the world's greatest reconditioned battery. Battery Guyz with a Z back into this 2015 Chevrolet Malibu. So once you get that battery stuck back in there, also too, this vehicle takes a group size H6. You need at least about 750 cold cranking amps to keep this vehicle running properly, fully functioning with all your power molecules and windows you have inside this vehicle. Okay, once you get the battery back into the vehicle, you want to put that fuse box and clamps right back down onto the battery itself. All you do is push it down and you will feel the clamps smoothly grab the sides of the battery. So you can get your positive post back on. You can use your 10mm to tighten that post up. Okay, so now we're connecting that main power wire back onto that grid here. And just use the screws that you take off to just put them back together. And next you want to put on your negative post last, which is also known as the ground again. Just make sure you're tightening it up as well. And this is your first time stopping by the channel, and we added great value today to show you how to install a battery in a 2015 Chevrolet Malibu. Please subscribe to the channel. Likewise, also to like the video as well and share the video. We'd like to thank all our subscribers for daily checking in and seeing what we do here at Battery Guyz Nation. But this is how you install a battery into a 2015 Chevrolet Malibu.